Hello, my name is Randy, and today I'm going to show you how to put on and use the booty belt. Before you get started, I recommend wearing a high-waisted pair of leggings, but shoes are optional. Put the booty belt on with the buckle in your left hand. Slide the other end through the first loop, and then pull tightly so it's snug around your waist. You want to ensure that the buckle is on your left hip. Then you'll slide the booty bands into position. Now, kneel down like you're tying your shoe. Unvelcro the foot strap, placing the padded side under the arch of your foot. Secure it around your foot, and now the other side. Here's what the view should look like from the side. And here's the back. For the first exercise, we're going to do glute kick-ups. There's two ways to do this. On your elbows for a more relaxed base, or on your hands for a more controlled base. I want you to think of your feet as pedals. When they're off the ground, there's no tension in your quad. When they're on the ground, your quad's engaged. And it's a much more effective workout. Now that you're in your starting position, I want your neck in a neutral position, your back flat, and your core engaged. Think about pulling your belly button up towards your spine. To start the move, I want you to press your heel towards the ceiling, squeezing your glute at the top of the movement, and return to the starting position. Let's do 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the other side. Let's keep that pace. Remember, keep your back flat and your core engaged. Don't let your hips rock side to side. Keep your pelvis stable. You've got 3 more. 2, 1. And that's how you do a glute kick-up. I recommend doing 3 to 4 sets of 15. 1 exercise down, 11 to go. Let's start the music.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Welcome to